Hi, everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Eid special Nargisi Kofta curry recipe. Garlic cloves 8 pieces. Ginger 2 inches cube cut. Green chili 7/8 pieces. Kabab chini 1 tablespoon. Fresh coriander leaf 1/2 cup. Chopped onion 1/2 cup. Frying well. Minced meat 1 kilogram. Grind it. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Roasted garam flour 3 tablespoon. Grind it. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Oil 3 tablespoon. Mix. Boiled eggs 6 pieces. Take an amount of meat mixture. Follow the steps. Done. Oil for fry. Place the kofta one by one. Fry 6 to 7 minutes. Flip over. Done. Onion paste 1/3 cup. Saute 1 minute. Ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Stir and fry. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin and coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Tomato puree. Salt to taste. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Saute 5 minutes. Add fried kofta. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add hot water 2 cups. Continue cook. Kashmiri chili powder 1 teaspoon for nice color. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Clarified butter, ghee 1 tablespoon. Some green chili for flavor. Slow cook 5 minutes, then done. Serving. Garnish with fresh coriander leaf. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.